I'm Joseph Brooks, and this is Lawyer in the Kitchen. This is Christina Lai, and she was a music major at Florida State University and has her doctorate in piano and was the person that you hear, those hands that you see in the beginning and the end of our episodes. This is her playing Rage Over a Lost Penny by Beethoven. She asked me if it was Opus 129, and I had to go look that up. So if I say Julius Caesar, will you laugh? No. Okay. Apparently she will. Anyhow, thanks so much. I think it's going to add a lot to it, and it's a great job. Now, why did you ask me why I picked that piece?
Oh, I asked this because of the title and how it relates to this whole commercial and your business.
A lawyer is going to have a rage over a lost penny. It just seemed to come together, and I like the music as well. You did a fantastic job. Thanks, Christine.